Alright guys, just a quick one. If you do know anybody with a 3D printer, you can get them to print these for you. I've seen these varying prices from Blacks, and they're pretty cheap to make from a 3D printer point of view. Let me just, no, it's that one. Yeah. Right, and then it just snaps in place. So you have different legs here for different size containers, but this one here fits perfectly. So now if you cook on top of it, you got a bit more support. So this one didn't come out as nice. Sometimes it's hit or miss. Personally, my one, because my house is so damp, I don't get good prints anymore. I got to work on that. But yeah, I mean, even if you just print out a bunch of these for your mates, I don't print these out for anybody else to sell, just myself. But I thought it was a really good idea. I found it on Thingiverse, and if you have a 3D printer, go check it out. It feels really handy.